Hi, friends. So by the time that I've uploaded this, Thanksgiving will be in 4 days. So you probably have not figured out what you're gonna wear for Thanksgiving yet. I always plan mine in advance, so I know exactly what I'm gonna wear. But last year was actually the first year for Thanksgiving that I actually looked somewhat good because I never knew what to wear. So I would just wear the first thing I saw on my dresser, be like, right, these pattern leggings and this band tee will have to do. But today, my goal is to help you figure out something that you're gonna wear for Thanksgiving that'll be super cute, super flattering, uh, super fall and also, hopefully, be something you don't have to buy. Just get something out of your closet. Right before we start, I just realized I look very similar to the last video I filmed. Like, these are two completely different days. At the end of the video, I'll reveal which outfit I'll wear. Here is the like classic color palette for Thanksgiving. Here's some other nice color palettes if you want to go off of that. So, the first outfit, the classic, a black shirt, a skirt, and some tights. And for shoes, just some like nice black shoes. This is what most people go for, and it's very nice, very trendy, but you probably won't be the only one wearing this. Here's some other skirts that are pretty popular. But like I don't know if I'd wear a tight fitting skirt on Thanksgiving because like I'm trying to get a carb-induced coma and I don't want to worry about bloating. Next is the sophisticated, a plain shirt with black pants, and optional, a chunky cardigan with it. This is a nice, it's simple, it's cute, it's fall, also pretty basic. Next is the casual. This is a fall-like sweater with either black leggings or black jeans. This is nice. It's a little boring, but some families don't dress up for Thanksgiving, and if you don't really want to stand out, this is for you. Next is the fancy. This one is frilly and cutesy dresses. This can go with the fall color palette or not. You can just go full pastels, who cares? Next is the fun. The fun is a plain colored shirt with matching patterned pants. I do see this sometimes, but not often. So if you're like, I want to stand out, this is the way to go. Again, you could go with the classic Thanksgiving color palette, but there are no rules. And if you want to stand out, maybe go spring colors. Why not? Next is, simply put, the fall, a turtleneck and overalls. I don't own one of those like short overall dresses, but if I did, I would definitely show you because those were so cute. I also don't think I own a turtleneck now that I think about it. What am I gonna show? This one is adorable. You might accidentally match with your cool aunt and your 2-year-old cousin at the same time. Next is simply put, the sweater dress. I don't own a sweater dress, so here you go. But yeah, very fall, very nice. This one I called the chic grandpa. Just like a plain shirt with a flannel over it with blue jeans with like any shoes really. I feel like for all of these like I'll post in the description like just some really basic like shoes and jewelry guides because like it's really up to you. But yes, again, you might accidentally match your grandpa like in a chic way. The next is the mysterious, a black dress with black tights. You're cool, mysterious, and super hot. The next is the denim. This is a denim jacket over just like any tee. Probably like a black or white one, like anyone will work with black or just any dark jeans. You will be very denim, and you will match your weird uncle, and you'll look great. The next is the preppy. Um, you could wear a football team sweater with a skirt and either like thigh or knee-high socks. Preferably one of the football teams that's actually playing on Thanksgiving, but if not, have fun. Next, this one's called the Cool Mom, which sounds lame, but it's not. Which is just a nice blouse with jeans. Like if you have like a favorite blouse, wear it. Another one is actually like a denim jumpsuit or a denim dress is really cute. A lot of denim in this video, but most people, including myself, don't own those, so I didn't like put it in there. Here are other cute outfits that like if you own them, consider them. But like I don't, and I assume you probably don't. But maybe. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you find your perfect Thanksgiving outfit. I really hope I helped. And if all else fails, do what I do and just wear all black. And people will think you're stylish, even though you're just wearing all black. You can wear what I'm wearing right now. I'm so fashionable right now. I got some rings on with some green nail polish. I got this shirt at Target for like $12. Go get some. I got these pants also at Target. I don't know how much, but probably more than $12. Leggings underneath because it's snowing out. This belt, it's like got heart. And I was wearing with boots. I also have pink fuzzy socks that match my bear. For makeup, also, I would wear honestly what I'm wearing right now. It's just like neutral eyes and some big liner with some neutral lipstick. It's pretty fall, can't go wrong. But if you're wearing like the pattern, like something colorful, maybe do some colorful eyeshadow or a colorful lip. However, when you're eating, you might get lipstick everywhere. So like maybe don't try out a new colorful lip. Maybe wear a colorful lip that like you've worn and you've ate with before. So it doesn't act up. I have a red lipstick that I ate with for the first time in public and it smeared, and when it smeared it didn't come off for 2 days. Learn from my mistakes. Don't buy cheap liquid lipsticks. They're like 50 cents. They're 50 cents for a reason. Anyways, that's all. Again, really hope that I helped you. And I'm glad to finish filming because now I can not be blind without worrying about glare. Bye. This is the outfit that I will be wearing on Thanksgiving. Editing this is gonna fucking suck.